Welcome to Nova Formworks, revolutionizing construction with advanced plastic formwork systems. Let's explore how our locking pins simplify assembly and disassembly. Nova locking pins are lightweight, durable, and designed to securely join panels for a seamless construction experience. They handle up to 6 tons of concrete pressure per square meter. Just align the panels as per your structure's requirements. Insert the locking pin into pre-designed holes every 150 millimeters and secure the pins with a gentle push to ensure a tight connection. And there will be no gaps, no concrete leakage, and a sturdy structure every time. To disassemble these pins, use Nova's specialized pin removal tool for quick unlocking. Safely extract the pins without damaging the panels and store the pins for reuse in future projects. It is fast, efficient, and cost-effective. Saves time and labor costs. Easy to assemble and disassemble. Ensures smooth, polished concrete finishes. Reusable and eco-friendly for sustainable construction. Check out novaformworks.com to know about our plastic formworks and subscribe to our channel for updates.